welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thanks for coming to watch this video. If you're subscribed, if you're not, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I'm just going to show you real quick my box that I'm sending out to my partner for Cheers to the Years. This is our last one until February, I think. So these are my ears. Our theme was Winter Wonderland. And so, yeah, I like these, but I think I should have learned my lesson when I did the, what was it? Oh, what was that box? Spoonful of sugar. Oh my goodness. Mary Poppins. When I did Mary Poppins and I used the blue material, it just doesn't mix well with hot glue. So I should have learned with that, but they're still okay. She might still be picking some strands of glue off here for a little bit. I tried to get as much as I could off of here, but there's still some that just, you know, you couldn't get off. But I do plan on learning to sew. I don't know why that's coming up off of there. These are brand new headbands. This was made this way, so I don't know why that's coming up off of there. So I'm going to give that just a little bit of glue there. Okay, so those are my ears because this is a Winter Wonderland theme. And my partner is Pebbles. I don't really know Pebbles well, so I'm not sure what she likes and what she doesn't like. So I just kind of went with I just went with like a snowflake theme. So here are my ears. Then I couldn't find any snowflake socks at all. So I just picked her up this big pack of Disney Stitch socks. There's a snowflake on this one here. So picked her up those. So I'm going to slide these in this little bag that kind of matches the blue. Okay, so I'm just going to have to do it like this. Just do it like this, and that way she gets 2 clips. Okay, so there's that, socks. I just made this bag topper with this rosette, a dewdrop there. Oh, what fun. And I just added these Ghirardelli chocolates in there for a nice treat. And then I just made her this cute little card for Winter Wonderland. So I have an envelope punched. I need to learn how to make envelopes soon. Okay. And then I got her this, and I'm not going to take this out of the box. I'm going to insert a picture right here of what this is, what this looks like. And then I got her this little paper pack from Michaels. I forgot to show you that I made this for Pebbles. This is just one of the little makeup bags. It says a snowflake is winter's butterfly. And then it has her name on the back. And then I'm just going to add this die. And these little bits of things. And this snowflake mix that kind of goes with the blue that I've done the theme in. And so I'll add this into the video because I forgot to show y'all. That's all for this box, and I really hope she enjoys this box. I had a lot of fun trying to put some thought into it of what she would like. Hope she likes it, and I appreciate y'all watching it. You got to watch all the videos. There's a winner going to be picked out of all the comments and being subscribed to all the channels and stuff. So make sure you catch all these videos. And then with Cheers to the Years, we'll be back, I think, in February. So hope y'all have a great week. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.